Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where a cold front brings in rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. We're also expecting a slight chance of rainfall over the southern part of the country, with the possibility of evening rainfall over parts of the Eastern Cape. It'll be a windy day across the interior, with mostly sunny conditions over the central parts, fine and hot in the northeast, with a sizzling hot day expected over parts of Mpumalanga, Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal. There's a high fire danger warning over much of the interior, with runaway fires possible in the shade of red, and there's a warning for high seas along the coast between Cape Agulhas and Port Alfred. You'll see that 60% chance of rainfall in the southwest, with the possibility of rainfall decreasing as we head along the west coast as well as towards the southern Cape coastline. And here's that chance of evening rain over parts of the Eastern Cape. It'll be a hot day in the northeast with highs in the mid-30s for the northwest as well as for Pretoria, 36 for Bombela and Phalaborwa, just shy of 40 degrees. We head into the upper 20s and low 30s for the Free State, with maximum temperatures in the mid-30s over the interior part of KZN as well as for Mthatha, Grahamstown with a warm afternoon at 24. A strong southwesterly wind is expected for Port Elizabeth at 20 degrees, Richards Bay with a moderate northeasterly wind and a toasty afternoon at 38, with a 1.5 metre east-northeasterly swell at 7 seconds along the east coast. 30 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, but of the cooler day as we head towards the Western Cape, 16 for Worcester as well as Muizenberg. In Muizenberg, we're forecasting a fresh westerly wind with strong westerly winds for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, but of the strong southwesterly wind from Mossel Bay all the way through to Jeffreys Bay. And here we're expecting a 5 metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. A high of around 30 is forecast for Uppington, Prieska and Colesberg, but of the cold day over the southwestern parts of the highs in the mid-teens. You'll see a moderate southerly wind for Alexander Bay at 20, with a westerly wind for Cape Town and a fresh southwesterly wind for Langebaan and Lambert's Bay, with a 3.5 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds along the west coast. Morning rain is still in the forecast for Cape Town on Wednesday, with temperatures also remaining cool in the southwest, and you'll see cloudy, wet and cooler weather spreading along the east coast, with a hot day for Pretoria and Mahikeng at 36. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.